You know, I could sure go for some pizza right now. I don't have any pizza, but I got a pizza clicky. Does that count? No? Okay. Start the show. Hi there, Playmo pals, and welcome back for another PlaymoAF unboxing and review. Today we've got the Playmobil Special Plus number 71161. This is the pizza maker. Look at this. I love this. This is one of the ones I found at Walmart not too long ago. Just started looking for Playmobil, and I went to the toys section, didn't find any, and went to the front of the store where they, carry cards and stuff like that, and bam, there they were, a whole bunch of Special Plus figures. And this is one of the two that I got. So we're going to unbox it today because I don't have anything like this. No full pizza pies. I got only a pizza slice or two, and the pizza box is pretty cool looking too. So I wanted to get this open and add it to the collective here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the side of the box. We have a continuation of the front image along with the QR code. Just the oven right there on the side. And then on the other side we have the Special Plus logo and the barcode. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. The back of the box concludes the choking hazard warnings in various languages, and then also has all of our pieces photographed individually. And that's it for the box details. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open and see what's inside. What's this right here? Oh, we got a sticker sheet. I should have known. Yeah, cool. I'm actually surprised by this sort of thing that the pizza topping itself isn't actually like printed onto the plastic. Instead, you got a sticker. I guess it gives you a little bit more interactivity with assembling everything. Now, I didn't realize that we get a table. That's cool. That definitely adds to the Special Plus experience, I guess, because Special Plus figures you get more accessories, and I honestly didn't even think about the table. I just thought maybe it was just there as a prop. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. We got our whatever you call this thing, the pizza scoop. It's a oversized spatula. It's not, but you know what I mean. Alright, gotta make sure that you got everything out of the bag, and it looks like I do. Alright, so we got a couple things here spilling out and going to the back. It looks like, are these cups? We got two drinking cups, maybe? Alright, we're gonna put those right there on the table, as well as our picker-upper. That's what we're gonna call it, the picker-upper. And then we got a second bag here. Didn't expect that either. And our pizza box is in there. And that's pretty nifty. It's like an oversized baseball base. Here's our pizza. Just the dough right now. Pretty cool how they got it all shaped the way they do to resemble a pizza, as they should, of course. They got all the little bit of crust there on the end. We're gonna put the sticker on off camera. We do get a stand. It looks like for all these Special Pluses where they have to handle things that could be heavy, they give them a stand just to make sure that they don't fall over, which is pretty nice of Playmobil to consider that. So you know that for adult collectors, we're more about the display than we are the play. So then he comes with his apron and then his hat. Ugh, gotcha. And then looks like a can of sauce, I would go with. And then here's the lid. Wait a minute. Where's the lid? Oh, so it looks like we got two jars on accident. We got an extra piece here. I'm gonna look at the back of the box again just to make sure I'm not missing a lid. Oh, I am. Okay, there it is. I just happened to find the lid. So we do get two jars. It's just pictured here on the front that you get one right there in the back, where you see the yellow lid And it's pictured here that you only get one. So maybe it was accidental, which it's never accidental. It's always good to get good parts. That's how I'm able to get more clickies. I just collect the parts and make a clicky. All right, I'm gonna get these stickers on off camera. All right, we got our pizza here finally. Looks like it's a Supreme. I don't see the mushrooms in there, thank goodness, but I do see those nasty olives, the onions, and the peppers, along with the pepperoni and of course the cheese. Check it out, it's our pizza box all ready to go. Now we should just put the pizza in and see how it looks. Here we go, pizza's in the box, fits nicely, shakes just a tiny bit. And then just to show you guys, it does have that little lip there, right there in the middle. So that's where you would put your finger down to lift off the box. Because once you got it in there, it's pretty secure. Okay, check this out. This is the tomato sauce. I'm sorry the lighting's not too good, but in a way it's a little too bright because you got a lot of glare there. So I'm casting a little shadow on the camera right now. So it looks like this is spice, or some kind of spice like oregano or something like that, Italian seasoning, something like that. So yeah, so that's what this is, and we just happen to have an extra little jar, which is okay. Again, it's always good to have extra pieces. So let's go ahead and put this guy together, and as if he's just taken his pizza out of the oven. All right. So anyway, pretty cool figure. I gotta say, I gotta give this one an A+ all the way. Yeah, I mean, the only beef I have really is the stickers, especially on this little jar. It is a little difficult, especially with adult hands, to put on just right. But it's something I can overlook, and I just think the overall setup and the fact that Playmobil even went this far to make up a pizza maker, that's just too cool. And I love the pizza box. I think that's great. So anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and follow us if you haven't yet for more Playmobil content. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. Find us at playmo.af. And if you want, check us out on Twitter. You can find us at PlaymoAF. And stay tuned. We got more on the way. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.